skills you need to bring to legal studies is that you need to be open-minded about issues today. You also need to be able to take in other people's opinions and also research and read a lot of case studies. You also need to bring passion for social issues such as abortion and things affecting today's society, like the environment. You need to be able to know about the law in order to change it to suit today. You can't have an unhealthy attitude, so you need to turn up on time, be prepared, read all the case studies you need to, and the information, as well as doing all the research. You also can't be closed-minded about issues affecting today's people.